How to create mobile OTP authentication using Twilio, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Want to create OTP verification like you see in real apps? Here's how to build a full mobile OTP authentication system using Twilio and JavaScript. Step 1. Create a Twilio account at twilio.com. Verify your number and get your SID, auth token, and Twilio phone number. Step 2. Build a simple HTML form where users can enter their mobile number. Include a send OTP button and a second input for entering the OTP. Step 3. Use JavaScript to capture the phone number and send it to your backend server. Your backend, written in Python, Node.js, or any language, will send the OTP using Twilio. Step 4. When the user receives the OTP, they'll enter it into the second field. Use another JavaScript function to send this OTP back to your backend for verification. Step 5. If the OTP matches, display a success message like phone verified. If it fails, show an error. This is how mobile OTP systems work in apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or banking apps. You can improve it by generating random OTPs and storing them securely.